academics. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to solve this Olympiad problem. So right here, we have a system of equations with three equations. We have a plus b equals abc, b plus c equals abc, and c plus a equals abc. So what I'm first going to do is number these 1, 2, and 3. And our goal is to solve for a, b, and c. So what we're first going to do is we're going to do 1 minus 2. We're going to do equation 1 minus equation 2. So that would give us a plus b minus b plus c, and this is equal to abc minus abc. Now, abc minus abc is simply 0 because these two cancel out, they're the same thing. So this would be 0, and this is equal to, well, this is equal to a plus b minus b minus c. These two would cancel out, so this would be a minus c. So we know that a minus c equals 0. Well, if we add c on both sides, we would get a equals c. So we know a equals c. Now we're going to subtract equation 2 and equation 3. So we get b plus c minus c plus a. And this is again equal to a plus abc minus abc, which, as we already know, is 0. Now if we distribute this, we get negative c minus a, and we have positive c over here, and we have our b. Well, these two cancel out, so now we get b plus a equals, we get b minus a equals 0. And if we add a on both sides, we get b equals a. So we know that b equals a and a equals c. So now we're going to write, well, if b equals a and a equals c, then that means that that means c also equals b, right? Using that same logic. So now we're going to take a look at our first equation here. We have a plus b equals abc. Well, because a is equal to b and c, we could do a plus a equals a times a times a. Now a plus a is 2a, and a times a times a is a to the power of 3. Now if we subtract 2a on both sides, we get 0 is equal to a to the power of 3 minus 2a. And now if we factor out a from this, we get a squared minus 2. We get a times a squared minus 2 is still equal to 0. So now this gives us two equations. We have a equals 0, which is a solution already. So this is one solution. And we also have a squared minus 2 equals 0. So now I'm going to solve this up here. If a squared minus 2 equals 0, then we're going to add 2 on both sides. So we get a squared equals 2. Now we're going to do the square root of both sides. So we get a, because square root and power cancel out, equals plus or minus, positive or negative, square root 2. So we get this. And because a is equal to b and c, this is also the same for b and c. B and c are also equal to 0 and positive and negative square root 2. So 0 and positive negative square root 2 for all of them. And that's our answer.